My name is Ali Tleis. My title is Carrier Sales on the vehicle side, and I've been working for RPM for 5 years now. So our main focus is to build relationships with these carriers throughout the years. When you work with them every single day, they become part of your family. So I even met with carriers just to hang out and break the ice between us. And that turned out really good because it bonded that relationship between us. But that's the main point, is the trust and the relationship. Since we work as a family over here, whenever I'm out or my buddy is out, we make sure we reach out to their carriers because they need loads at the end of the day. We always communicate, we always get together, we huddle in the morning to make sure we take care of our business. So Habibi, if you're looking for a job, come to RPM.